Hi everybody, Adam from LS2 Helmets. I want to show you how to remove and reinstall the cheek pad and liners on your Subverter Evo helmet. First thing you want to do, let's go ahead and grab a helmet support here. And this gives us a place to rest our helmet to make sure we don't scratch that nice new paint job. So first thing I like to do, make sure that chin strap is fully undone. Gives us a little bit more room here and get that out of the way. After that, I can go move on to the cheek pads. So these are really easy. All I have to do is just simply unsnap these and those will pull right out. And we've got our plastic tabs here that help seat those into the liner here as well. And then we do the same thing on the other side. Just unsnap these like so. And then just remove those like so. Very, very easy. After that, we can move on to our top liner. I always start here in the back, and that's another snap system here. Get those chin straps out of the way. And after that, we want to loosen it from the front trim piece here as well. So that's just going to be a simple press fit. It just takes a little bit of starting to get it loose. And there's a little press stud right here in the center and a couple tabs right on either side that help hold that onto the trim ring here. And if you have any trouble loosening up those little tabs, just lift up on this little plastic piece and that'll give you that little bit of leverage that you need. Now to reinstall it, we're simply going to reverse the process, start with the front here and work our way back. So let's get this lined up back inside the helmet. Start with our corners here. Get those slotted into the side. And now from here, we're going to get our tabs slotted in underneath, like so. And then we snap in the front center post. Like so. And then we move on down the line. Okay, and just double check it, make sure everything's properly lined up and we're good to go there. Now we can move on to the back. And these are just going to be simply lining up the snaps. Like so. There we go. And now we can do our cheek pads. And again, we're just going to simply line up our tabs with the slots here on the chin bar. Line up those first. Get one. There we go. And two, like so. And then from there, we just press in the studs into the chin bar. Like that. Now we move on to the other side. Again, we're doing the same thing. Let me see if I can show you here. Line up our plastic piece here with this slot. Kind of press that underneath the trim ring. And we're going to do the same thing on the front. Just line it up with the hole there and slot it underneath the trim ring. From there, we line up our studs here on the inside and press those in. All right. Once you've got those lined up, just make sure your chin straps are threaded through the cheek pads. Set your helmet support off to the side, and you're ready to go.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.